What is DNA? Every living thing has DNA. From plants to animals, even in bacteria and viruses. Even you have DNA. DNA is found in cells and is a bunch of atoms stuck together to form a molecule. A DNA molecule is made up of two strands that bind together to form a structure known as a double helix. DNA is the blueprint for all living things. It carries the genetic instructions on how to make a tree, a dog, and you, a human. Each blueprint is unique. But how can something as small as a molecule act as a blueprint for something as complex as a tree, or a dog, or a human? All of the DNA found within an organism is called the genome. It is passed on from parents to offspring during reproduction. DNA is made up of millions of particles known as nucleotides. There are 4 nucleotides, which scientists have labeled A, T, G, and C. A gene is a portion of DNA with a specific combination of nucleotides. See it this way. Imagine that DNA is a sentence. The words represent the genes, while the letters represent specific nucleotides. One letter change can change the meaning of a word. This is the same for DNA. One nucleotide change can change the gene. A gene is a section of DNA that holds the information needed to make proteins. Proteins are essential for life and perform a huge variety of jobs, from controlling the function of cells, which make up organs, to determining the shape of a whole organism. The collection of all genes in an organism is known as its genotype. A gene can determine specific traits such as hair, eye, and skin color, which taken together make up what is known as your phenotype. In other words, the phenotype consists of all the physical characteristics of an organism which can be influenced by their genotype. The DNA is fixed and cannot be changed, so your genotype cannot be changed. Yet the traits of some animals or plants can change depending on what they eat, where they live, or what they interact with. In other words, their environment changes their phenotype. So what molecular mechanisms are responsible for this?